It's a time to think and reflect on our connection with one another, a time to appreciate one another, and also celebrate yung hard work that we all put together throughout the year. And tonight is a moment to celebrate that unity, a moment to appreciate each other, a moment to recognize that we only reach this point here at the end of the year dahil sa bawat isa.
To celebrate the birth of our Lord Jesus Christ. So, let this Christmas also inspire us to be kind, generous, and grateful in everything we do. So, Merry, sparkling Christmas. God bless us all.
On behalf of my grandfather, the late Ambassador Antonio L. Cabangon Shua, and my dad, D. Edgar A. Cabangon, gusto namin magpasalamat sa inyong lahat. Thank you everyone for being a part of the Isuzu Janitors. We love you. Merry Christmas.
Thank you for being in Jennifer's group Christmas party. Unfortunately, I cannot make it, but I promise you, next year, we will have my birthday party together. Lerma, by Danila, give what is due to them, give the sunshine to our employees.
I wish you too!
Love you all.
We love you!
Merry Christmas.